If you love crafts and you need some storage ideas, stick around. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. You know, when you're short on storage space in your home, a simple over-the-door shoe pocket organizer like this can offer you a wonderful option to store your extra items. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you 10 different craft items that you can easily store in these pocket organizers that'll help free up a little storage space around your craft room. Okay, let's dive right in. One of the things you can store in these pockets is spray paint. These cans fit easily into these pockets. Or if you use acrylic paint, those can fit too. And while you're at it, you can easily fit your paintbrushes in these pockets. You can store all sorts of glitter in these pockets, and even your bottle of Mod Podge fits in here. If you have a small glue gun, that'll easily fit in these pockets, along with all the extra glue sticks you need. You can also fit pipe cleaners into these pockets. Your palms or little googly eyes, they fit in here real easily. And you can also fit all your different types of beads. The list of craft supplies that can fit in these pockets just goes on and on and on. But those are just 10 craft items that you can start with. Okay, I hope you found this list helpful. If you did, please let me know by clicking that big old thumbs up, poke that like button below, and if you enjoy watching organizing tip videos, go ahead and click on that subscribe button and ring the bell so you know every time I upload one of my videos. And if you have any other ideas that would fit in these pockets, please let me know in the comments below. I'd love to share some ideas. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Hey, if you like this video, why don't you check out one of these over here? And don't forget, the links to my socials are found below.